And then when it comes to the USDC at a higher market cap, you do like the math at a 100 million or $1 billion market cap, people are making way over an annual salary a day off of USDC reflections from volume. So it's a life changer, not only in the sense of what you hold in Ethereum for the value of your tokens, but the fact that you would not have to touch those tokens and you would still receive USDC off of the volume. Imagine that at $1 billion market cap, that's FUD. $10 billion market cap, somebody choosing to use our our token as their digital bank, and they're like, hey, I'm gonna drop my $500,000 into MONKE, and I'm just gonna take the USDC off the volume, and I'm gonna like it's our approach. Exactly. Our approach can constantly change, as we mature as a community, as we mature as a token. As long as we maintain our current focus, which is, to hold a strong, steady floor, make sure that the people that are re-entering are buying at a higher price so that way we can continue to build levels and they understand the mission. If they want to sell, that's fine. We're going to take our reflections and we're going to drop them on the chart. Whether we're dropping 30%, you're going to pay either 30% more, you're going to pay either, 50% more, or your position is going to be altogether gone.
Yeah.
Like, that's just how it goes. This is MONKE. So you just have to understand that a culture is being developed for crypto. And I cannot stress this enough. We just went through a straight bear market. We watched so many scam projects. We watched so many people do rug pulls, and it became normal. Before this last year, look how fast our community of crypto, all degens, has grown. We used to accept not knowing who the dev was. We used to accept projects with incredibly high taxes. All of that was considered in creating this project. It was amazing. It was incredibly appreciative. I'm appreciative, and I know the community is. It shows on the chart. It shows in the chat. But I just want everybody to understand that there's a much higher mission, and compared to most people saying, oh, you need to invest in 5 years, we're talking like November, December for us before we see the entire degen space with eyes on us, and they're just like, I have to buy this, and it's going to be at a higher market cap because we, a community, said so.
Yes. I think what you're saying about market cap and the volume that will be bigger when the market cap is bigger. I was thinking when you were talking, I was thinking, oh man, can they make a simulator, like a simulator they put on the website? I say, okay, I have like 1% of the supply, 0.5 or something like that. I simulate the market cap, I simulate the volume, and I can see how many USD I can make every day as passive income. Is that something you thought about?
I think when I thought about it, they already told me they were developing a D app, and I doubt that they're about to leave off any details here. Like I promise, I think that they're going to track all of your earnings.
Oh, it's done.
Probably,
it's live. By the way.
If peyote's telling me it's good, then that's like literally what they did was they took a bank and then they put it in a time machine and they made it a little kid again, and they said you need to learn a lesson, and that was MONKE.
That's bullish, man. That's bullish, really. I'm very excited. I made extend, on my buy. I didn't sell, but I'm never selling. I'm so excited. Yeah. The monkeys are here.
Look at that. Let's go. Hey, make sure you buy a bag.
Make sure you buy a bag. If this is your first time in the space, make sure you're in here. It's not financial advice. It's just smart.
Hey, Crossover, I just wanted to say thank you for hosting this. We really appreciate you, man. We appreciate your loyalty first, because you've been in the chat active as hell since the start. So yeah, I know a lot of influencers that just jump in for a quick, let me get my name in there so I can get a couple followers, And it's like, I don't see that with you. So I really appreciate that, brother. And I just wanted to throw that out there. Thanks again for this space, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
I know we have some questions too, Crossover, from
sure.
I raised up David, and he's been waiting, incredibly patient. Just go ahead. He can ask and wherever you need to answer it, and we can raise them up as the speakers. Just raise up who, you guys can just raise your hand if you do have questions.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man. Thanks for that. I'd just like to add something that you guys were talking about earlier about about the bear market and ETH coming right down. I think if and when ETH breaks below 1,000, you're going to get a lot of people panicking, and they're going to be looking for somewhere to put their investments. and as soon as it breaks below, people will flood here. And if we keep pounding Twitter and just showing everyone that what we're at, they will flood here in their droves. They will absolutely.
Definitely,
Let's
I
go.
agree.
Love it,
Let's
David.
go.
Thank you for that.
All right. So
We're
right
good.
now we're talking. We have 3 million market cap. We are in the consolidation phase. Ethereum might pump a little bit. That will help for market because the pair obviously is Ethereum. So that impacts the chart. People need to understand that. That's really amazing. When I'm looking at all, I'm on my DEX tool. I have all my favorites, and there is Monkey is like a stable coin.
Exactly. It. Oh my gosh, I can't explain to you what it means to like watch Ethereum dip and see a chart still holding like this, and to be a part of the community that's like, hey, if you put your money here, you were safe, and you're still safe. It's like amazing because we're setting ourselves up as aligning ourselves with a like-minded community that like kind of sees the bigger vision of the degen space, and what that does in the long run is just amazing things for all of us. It's life changing. So to watch it right now, market cap doesn't really impress me because when we go back up to a $1,500 ETH, we've already basically half of our goal for achieving our all-time high is already met. Our market cap
Exactly.
expands. So it's like right now our market cap is a lie. Like
I
it's
mean, come
truly a
on,
lie.
this is gonna pump. I mean, anyone,
Exactly.
anyone who has mind, has some experience, looking at the chart, looking at the community, come on, should buy right now. I mean, not a financial advice, of course, but that's what I did. That's what I will do right now because one thing I use when I trade is like, do I am I gonna ape right now? I mean, does that make sense to ape right now? And when it makes sense to ape, that means that people are holding, that means people are not selling, that means it has value. And that's what we have here. That's very impressive. When Ethereum will go back, when we will have more eyes on us, this is gonna fly. And I think, yes, it could change lives. Yes, I think it's possible. I mean, you guys have all the keys right here. Good community, good contract, solid, safe, with passive income. I mean, come on, people need to understand that this is gonna be crazy. I'm very bullish. I'm very bullish.
You just got me bullish, Cross. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Woo!
Oh, 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 oh. Oh my God, you guys are amazing. All right. So, yeah, we had a nice chat. I mean, well, we still have time. If any one of you, uh, maybe I know the community or anyone else want to share any thoughts, you are very welcome. You just raise your hand and I will open your mic.
Yeah, those are questions, guys. Like a lot of people here to be able to answer those. Any concerns or any special stories about Monkey? How Monkey has inspired you about crypto? Because I feel like Monkey is also like would be a reason for somebody to get into crypto. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Or tell us why you
Yeah.
like, or tell us why you like Monkey. What
yeah,
what brought you to Monkey?
what brought you to Monkey?
Who,
So,
me?
No, I'm just saying, like in general. If they don't have
Oh,
if
okay,
they don't
yeah.
have a question, just tell us why you came to Monkey, or what caught your interest.
Yeah, that's a good question. Who wants to answer that?
yeah, guys, you can just raise your hand if you have a question.
Come on, monks are not shy. Humans are. Let's go.
I mean, it's also very bullish when nobody has a question about anything, or like it's just bullish. It's just bullish.
Transparent.
Because the project is so transparent that it's like, yo, like, bro, you buy it, you
Yeah, I think it's clear for everybody. Well, I can
exactly.
tell you what brought me. I can tell you what brought me in if you want to.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
Yes.
Very quickly. So you know that I look at charts. I have, I'm shooting a lot, and I'm always digging projects every time to make some profits for my community. And when I arrived there, honestly, the energy that was in the Telegram, those monkey sounds you guys are making, I was like, what the fuck's going on here? They're nuts. And I've been impressed by the way you guys ride it on Twitter. I posted, I called the project at 700K, something like that, and I shared on Twitter, sorry, on the Telegram, on the group, and you guys just killed it. And I was like, wow, that's, I mean, I've been in a lot of projects, and you guys were saying about all what we had the past month, with big taxes contracts, the scams, the book pools. Yeah, you said everything. So we have some experience, and I felt directly that okay, there is something special here. Let's dig. I went into the contract details. I saw everything. I saw the wallets. I made my homework. I journed, like we said. I made my own research, and I was very impressed. I was like, okay, this is fucking amazing. I have nothing to lose here because just have to hold, and I think I'm gonna make some passive income. And anyway, I think I can forget about this project. Just let it flow like this. I told you I didn't sell any. So I saw the 7 million ATH. I was like, okay, that's cool. I think we need a correction here, to have a healthy chart, and that's what happened. So that's totally that makes me more confident. And then when we were, on the first, let's say, big dip, it pumped directly, and I saw that people were investing their reflections. That's commitment. That's trust. To me, that's the most important thing. So I fucking believe in it. Yeah, glad to be a monkey now. Fucking monks. All right. Let's be in a nice space. Guys, I'm fucking sick. I have 40 degrees, temperature. I was almost sleeping on my couch before doing this. But you see, you guys are making me feel better. Just your energy. That's crazy. That's crazy. So appreciate it.
Real.
Yeah, we still have some time. Does anyone wants to add something, or anything? Please feel free.
Yeah, I'd like to add a bit. I do quite a bit of chart work, and been measuring the main impulse or the last impulse on the price action, and yeah, we are absolutely finding a floor above a reversal threshold on the Fibonacci level. So yeah, it's
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
He said bullish.
Bullish.
Yeah, so it's finding support above the reversal threshold, which is just super bullish, and it's just gonna come from here.
I just remember Peyote being like, "Yeah, we weren't supposed to hold this high," and it's like we could go down, but we could. I thought it was going to go down further initially. Off of if you see a 23 sell, you would think people would panic, and that's logical among the crypto degen space. Like he thought it was going to take a while. No, Monkey doesn't really do that.
Well, I'm glad. I mean, we went parabolic, and I'm sort of glad we broke out of there because some of our projects, they go parabolic like really, really fast, and then it's just a battle. It's a battle after that. I will say, guys, ETH is pumping here a little bit. So if you get a little buy wall going, it doesn't take much. It doesn't take a whole lot to get the ball rolling here with ETH on the uptrend, and then hold the floor. If ETH is going down a little bit. So there's that. But also, Crossover, thank you so much for the space and everything. I see that it's recorded. I think that there was information in here to be able to spread the space and let people kind of listen to it and whatnot, and see what the community is all about and what the project's all about and stuff. So thank you so much.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Thank you, the monkey community. You guys are amazing. And so we'll keep in touch. I'll stay on the chat every time. And I can't wait, to see when we were over the billions, having passing income for life. So yeah, let's fucking go, guys. Thank you for your time. Very appreciate it. And right now, I will wish you a good night and Roger.
Good night, bro. Thank you for hosting the space.
Yeah, I hope you feel better, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, feel better.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one, guys.